So are you trying to attract a specific person? I want you to watch this video to go from blindly hoping to attract a specific person to knowing the truth about how to manifest a specific person. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton-Mariel. I am a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I make weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post every Thursday. It can actually feel like torture when you know the exact person you want to manifest, but you feel like nothing is working when it comes to bringing that person into a relationship with you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to manifest a specific person, and more importantly, the truth about manifesting a specific person that no one really talks about when it comes to this topic. You deserve beautiful, limitless love, and I want to empower you with the truth when it comes to manifesting a specific person, so stay tuned. My first tip is to know one very crucial, important fact about the law of attraction is that you cannot control other people's lives. You can maybe set the scene for them to be able to come into your life and to want you and to attract you and all of these things, but you cannot force somebody to do anything that they do not want to do. And that's an important rule of the law of attraction, and it really stems from the fact that we all have free will to create the lives that we want. So in and of itself, the law of attraction states that we have that power to create it for ourselves. So while you can set the scene to attract this person, it really has to be something that they want to create that harmony between you and them. So keep that in mind. So some of these tips are going to be about setting the scene, and some other tips are going to be about something else along those lines. But that's the first fact that you should know, a truth that nobody is really talking about when it comes to the law of attraction and manifesting a specific person, that I wanted to share with you guys so you can know the truth. So that's my first tip. And along those lines, my second tip is you don't need this person to be happy. You can be happy right here, right now, and that's actually going to help you attract them, if that makes any sense. So if you're vibrating high, you're going to attract from that frequency a happy, positive love. If you're negative and desperate and needy, you're actually going to repel away that person and not get what you want. So start there with knowing in your heart and your soul that you don't need this person to be happy. You can be happy right here, right now, and focus your energies on being fulfilled and being happy on your own. If you want a video on how to be happy while single, I will link that in the description below. I've done a video on that, on vibrating high while single. Please check it out because that's a crucial first step in manifesting anything that you want. My third tip is to examine your why. Why is it that you want this specific person and you won't allow yourself to be more general when it comes to attracting love? Is your desire to attract this specific person feeding into toxic patterns of trying to find love in the wrong places or trying to right the wrong of people that haven't loved you in the past? So tap into, why is it that I want this specific person? Really ask yourself, is this a person worthy to be loved and worthy of loving me the way that I need to be loved? And really tap into your why. Why do you want this person? If it's a person that it's an unrequited love, or if it's a person that is maybe aware already of you or your desire for them, and it hasn't been reciprocated, tap into your why. Why do you still want them? And really get down to the facts and be truthful and honest with yourself. Or am I leaning into toxic patterns of not really seeking what's best for me? So tap into that and get real with yourself, and maybe journal and do some conscious work around your why. And if you feel like it is not part of any type of toxic pattern, if you feel like you want to attract a specific person, maybe you haven't told them about your interest in them, or maybe you're just interested from afar, or you're shy, the next thing I would like you to do is to relax a little bit and let go and enjoy the flourishing relationship. Get to know that person, appreciate them, and do all those things when it comes to nurturing the relationship that you would do if you guys were already in a relationship. So if you're just friends, nurture that friendship. If you're strangers, nurture that acquaintance and get to build that more. Maybe let go of that being so attached to the outcome of being together, or finally being in a relationship, and enjoy the journey, enjoy that person on a real and authentic level. My next tip that I want to share with you is about aligned action. So we have to align our actions with our intentions if we want to manifest. So what have you done to show this person that you're interested in them? What have you done to show them that you love them or you want to build a relationship with them? You have to take action. If that includes putting yourself out there or taking a leap of faith, do that. Maybe start small with being more engaged with a person, but you're going to have to act on your intentions. That is a very important part of manifestation. So if you're vibrating high, right, you're in good mood, you're feeling joy, you're fulfilled with yourself, you're doing things where you let go and you're letting your relationship nourish, the next natural step in the manifestation process is aligning your actions with what it is that you want. One way that you can do this to start off gently is to meditate and send love to this person, think good thoughts to this person, imagine yourself sharing this love with them, and you can start there and slowly build your way up on what actions are you going to take to attract this person. My last tip is to trust God's plan, or to trust the universe's plan, whichever one feels more comfortable to you, but it's going to require some trust because God is going to provide for you in a way and bring you a love so magnificent. It's going to be way greater than you ever expected. So it's going to take some trust to allow that to come into your life, right? So if you need to be more general so you can attract a more expanding, limitless, divine love, maybe you do that and you back off from being so more specific, because it is really going to be in God's plan that you're going to find that that beautiful, limitless love, right? So when I was manifesting my husband, I was actually a little bit more general as far as not trying to attract a specific person, but really just trying to attract the love in my life that I knew I deserved, right? And I have a video on what I did to attract my husband that I'll link in the description below. But really, it's all about trusting and being open to how you receive and how it comes to you. Because trust me, it's going to be 10 times better than you have ever even tried to imagine, which is one of the most beautiful things about manifestation. So those are my tips on how to attract a specific person. More importantly, those are my truths from a psychological based perspective and a spiritual based perspective. So I hope those help you. I'm wishing you so much joy as you manifest your true love. And if you want to know how to make all this manifestation stuff work for you on a daily basis, I have a manifestation routine guide that's absolutely free, which I'll link in the description below. Until then, happy manifesting and namaste. Oh guys, and I want to mention to you, if you liked my mala bead necklace, it's from my store, Conscious Life shop. It is marble and rose gold. The tassel is rose gold. It's very unique. You can't find it anywhere else. And then the beads are marble, as you can see, so check it out. I'll link it below. I really love this necklace. It's great to wear during meditation, but also, as you can see, just to jazz up any outfit with a little spiritual razzle dazzle. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that. Until next time, namaste.